Hey!
Welcome to Super Kid Universe. I'm Ava. If you want to make a warm breakfast for your family, oatmeal is a great place to start. It's simple, easy, and quick. Let's get started. Whenever you work with food, it's important to have clean hands. Now that we've washed our hands, let's gather our ingredients. You're going to need quick rolled oats, water, brown sugar, regular sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract. And the tools you need are a pot with a lid that should be big enough for your oatmeal, a spoon to stir and serve with, and measuring cups and spoons. The first thing you want to do is look at the instructions on your quick rolled oats set to see how much water you'll need. We love oatmeal, so we use this. It says we need 4 cups of water and 2 cups oats. So let's measure that out. Working at the stove is dangerous, so make sure you have a trusted adult. With the pot in place, set the burner to high and wait for the water to boil. This can take some time, so be patient. When the water's boiling, add all the oats right away and stir. Steamy. Continue to let it boil for 1 minute. Well, the instructions say 1 minute, but to get it right, we wait for that gloopy sound. When it starts to gloop, remove it from the heat. Be careful not to put it on the counter because you could melt or burn it. Now we need to let it sit. Put a lid on and let it sit for 4 minutes. When it's done, it's ready for flavoring. Add a 1/2 cup sugar, a 1/4 cup brown sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very strong, so a little goes a long way. And then a splash of vanilla extract. Give it a good mix and it's ready to serve. I like to add a bit of cold milk to my oatmeal. How do you like to flavor your oatmeal? Put it in the comments below so we can try it. Thank you for watching Super Kids Universe. We'll see you next time.